Hello, good morning, students. How are you? All are fine? Okay. Now, last time I have teach supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. They are known as supplementary angles. Okay. Then now we have to solve practice set 17. I have also told to you solve this practice set 17 and send me on WhatsApp, but no anybody student has solved. That's why I have revised this. See, practice set 17, question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. First, 15. We have to measure supplements. आपल्याला काय करायचे ते पूरक कोण काढायचे. पहिला दिलेला आहे 15 डिग्री. कसं करणार तुम्ही. We have to, we know supplementary angles means supplementary angle that the sum of the measures of two angles is 180. One angle have given, then we have to make their 180 minus 15 and write here the remaining two angles. Second angle, okay, what will become 165. Then second one, 85 degree. 180 minus 85, that is 95. 120, first is 120, then write down here 180 minus 85, then second will become 180 minus 120, that is 60 will be second supplement angle in our 37 as like this. 180 minus 37, remaining write down there. 180 minus 108 and 180 minus 0, that is 180, and a 0, that is 180 minus a. Second supplement of the angle will be 180 minus a. Okay. Then next, second question. The measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. We have to search. Okay. Complementary angles means the angles, sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree and the sum of the measures of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary angles. Okay. Ready? Then search 60 plus 30, 90, that is complementary angles. Then we have to write here measurement of B and measurement of N, that is complementary angles. Two parts, दोन भाग करा, complementary आणि supplementary. First measurement cone B and measurement cone N, 90, that is complementary angle. Then next one, this measurement of Y 90 degree and okay, anybody? देखो 150 and 30. Okay. Second, 150 and 30, 180, that is supplementary angle. Measurement cone N and measurement cone J is the supplementary angles. Then next one, 75, 60 acre. Then second one, measurement of cone G, angle G, 120 plus 160, measurement of B, 60, that is 60 plus 120, 180, that's the second pair is the supplementary angles. Okay. As like this, we have to find out complementary angles and supplementary angles. Then next question, third question. In triangle XYZ, measurement of Y is 90 degree. Look, measurement of here one, that is here is the angle XYZ, okay, or like this. This is right angle triangle X, Y, Z, and they have given that Y is 90 degree. Then what will be the measurement of X and Z? Measurement of X, Y, Z, X plus Z will be 90 degree. Why? Because the measure of this triangle is 180 degree. We know, we have learned. And so the example, that is Y is 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? That is, what kind of pair? Complementary angle will be there. That is, we have to write here angle X and angle Z is complementary angle. Okay, we have to write, because these two angles, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Then next one, question number 4. The difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair in is 40. Find the measures of two angles. What they have asked? Difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair. Complementary pair म्हणजे ज्या कोणांची बेरीज 90 अंश आहेत पण त्यातला फरक हा 40 आहे, तर आपल्याला दोन अँगल्स या ठिकाणी शोधायचे आहेत. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, P, T and M. Rectangle they have given P, T and M. And here the pair of supplementary angle. We know in rectangle each angle is 90 degree angle. That is, each angle is right angle triangle. Therefore, we have to add both and write down cone angle P plus angle M is equal to 180. The next one, M plus N. Angle write down like this. Write down like this. Cone P plus cone M is equal to 180. That is supplementary angle. This one is first one. Second pair, write down M. Angle M plus angle N. Third one, angle N, angle T. And fourth one, angle T and angle P. We can also write down angle P and N also 180. Angle M and angle T is also 180. These are supplementary angles, supplementary pairs of angles. Supplementary angles, and we have studied how to write these pairs. Okay. The next question, if measurement of A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of supplements of the complement of angle A? We have to angle A complements, like it complements and supplements of the angle. Okay, we know we have learned complementary angles as well as we have learned supplementary angles, and keep it in mind, that is, the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then that angles are complementary angles, and the sum of the angles is 180 degree, that is supplementary angles. Then if cone A and cone B are supplementary angles and measurement of B is equal to X plus 20 degree, then what could be measurement of cone A? Look here, I will solve this example. I will solve this. Okay. The next, I will write here supplementary angles. Measurement of A plus measurement of B is equal to 180 degree. Okay. that is supplementary angles. And B has given that is x plus 20 degree. Then write down here measurement of A is plus x plus 20 is equal to 180. That is measurement of x is equal to 180 minus x minus 20. Like this we have to solve. Okay. The next one, what you have learned. Discuss the following statements. If statement is right, give an example. If it is wrong, state any. Let's discuss. We have to write this. Two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Two acute angles, right or wrong, that makes supplementary angles. Because if there is a 90 degrees, 90, this is also acute angles. This will make supplementary angles. If they are below the smaller than 90 degree, then they will be complementary angles. But two angles can make a pair of supplementary angles. Two acute angles can form a pair of supplementary angles. This one will be correct one. Then two right angles can make a pair of complementary angles. This one is wrong because I have already said this is right angles and this 90 degree, 90 degree. This totally two are, sum of these two angles is 180 degrees and these are not complementary angles. This is supplementary angles. Then second one acute angle and one obtuse angle can make a pair of complementary angle. This is also wrong. This will not be done. One acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a supplementary angle. Okay. Then next one, see opposite rays. Opposite rays means here the observe this figure. BA is one ray and second one BC is the second one. In this figure, these two rays are here. The origin of the rays is B and name the angle ABC or CBA is the name of that angle. Then here is the straight line. Here is the straight line and name the angles of figure ABC, but name the rays whose origin is point B, that is BC and BA. In this figure, listen, in first figure BC and BA meet to form an obtuse angle, while in figure BA and BC meet to form a straight line. See, this is straight line and this one is obtuse angle. Make this obtuse angle. And second one figure मध्ये आपल्याला straight line तयार झालेली आहे. And because of that we get a straight line. Hence AB and BC and ray BA are opposite angle. BA and BC in this figure, these are opposite rays. Okay. Now listen and write two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line are said to be opposite ray. In these two figures, here BA and BC are the opposite rays, but they make a obtuse angle. and because of these are not opposite rays in second figure, AB, BA, BC are two opposite rays and they make a straight line, and because of that these two rays are opposite rays. Okay, we have to write this definition of opposite ray. Draw this figure and write there. We have to solve practice set 18. Now the pair of opposite ray in the figure alongside. Okay, PT and PN, these are opposite ray because here make a straight line. Then PM and PL, the second pair is opposite rays. Okay, write down here. Start from P is the origin of that P, T, P, N, P, M, second pair P, L. Are the PM and PT are opposite rays? Okay, PM and PT are opposite? No. Why? Because they make here an angle, and so PM and PT are not opposite angle. We have to draw this figure and write this question and answer. Now I have said now. बघा आता मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी प्रश्नांची उत्तरं लिहायची आहेत. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, लिनियर पेअर. लिनियर पेअर मीन्स व्हॉट? राईट द नेम्स ऑफ द अँगल्स इन द फॉर्म फिगर. See, P, S, Q is there and QN is QR is the rays, and because of these QR rays they are made two angles. These two angles are RQS and RQP. What type of pairs of angles is it? These two pairs of angles are supplementary angles, as well as we have learned that adjacent angles, because this QR is the rays, that is one, each one सामायिक भुजा आहे, and these two अंतर्भाग हे वेगवेगळे आहेत, आणि म्हणून याला आपण कोणते अँगल्स म्हणणार आहे? ॲडजसंट अँगल्ससुद्धा म्हणणार आहे. देन सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स आहेत. बघा, आर्म्स ऑफ द अँगल्स आर नॉट कॉमन आर्म्स. Which arms of the angles are not the common angles? Which arms of the angles are not the common arms? Here is the not common angles, arms PQ and QS. These are opposite rays. Now PQR, take your protractor and याचं मेजरमेंट बघा किती आहे. RQSचं मेजरमेंट बघा. These two are 180 degree. The angles of PQR and angles of RQS in the figure above the adjacent angles and are also supplementary angles. The arms that are not common to both angles form a pair of opposite rays, and these arms form a straight line. We say that these angles form a linear pair. The sum of the measures of the angle in a linear Thank you.